Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video I am going to be cleaning up my home before my baby shower and then after my baby shower. And then also I will be showing you guys me during my baby shower with my sister and my cousin, and we are going to be doing a belly cast. So if you're excited to see that, please stay tuned. So on this day, it was kind of like a real extreme nesting day because I didn't even really record half of the things that I actually did this day. So I end up wiping down my walls. One thing I really do enjoy doing is cleaning my walls. But I got in clean mode and I just forgot to even film it. But I did wipe down all of my walls in my house. Like, I might wipe down the walls in the kitchen, the living room, dining room, bathrooms, both bathrooms, the kids' room, my room, the upstairs, the steps, literally everywhere. Okay. And then I decided, oh yeah, I have to record. So this is where you're starting to see me. I'm already clean. I've been cleaning for a couple hours at this point, and I am going to be cleaning my kitchen. Just the sink. The sink was full of dishes. We literally had like basically no dishes left. So I needed to hurry up and get that stuff done. And per usual, I end up feeding the guinea pigs. Their cage was actually cleaned maybe like a day or so previous. Their cage just always looks like it's kind of just gross, but it's really not. They are just really messy pigs.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect.
So the house really wasn't that messy, but I definitely just wanted to get it straightened up. The biggest part was for me to wipe my walls down for whatever reason of nesting. That's what I decided to do. But I just wanted to really just sweep and, well, vacuum and wipe down all my surfaces and everything before the baby shower. This is actually the day before my baby shower, and I'm just tidying up.
I'll be okay till the sun goes up, yeah. For a little moment, just hold me closer.
So this is my sister and my cousin. We are doing this big old belly cast. Oh my goodness. I did not even realize how big my belly really was until we took this belly cast off. Like, you guys can't hear them, but they're talking about how many strips they needed. Like, my belly literally took over, I want to say, about 4 rolls of this plaster stuff. It was so ridiculous, and I literally am just all baby. So but I'm so glad that we got to do it. I didn't get to do it in any of my other pregnancies, so I'm so glad we got to do it this time.
The fire with every breath I breathe you out. We just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have hurt this much. I don't want to say it, but when we lost touch, time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to work too much. I don't want to say it, but when we lost touch, so much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much. Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have hurt this much. I don't want to say it, but when we lost touch, time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to work too much. I don't want to say it, but when we lost touch, so much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much.
Okay, so this is after my baby shower. Once literally everyone left, I just decided I wanted to clean up, but I wanted to show you guys this belly. Look at how huge it is. I don't know if you guys notice how huge my belly is, but this is my first time actually seeing how huge I was, and it really amazed me. But as I was saying, this is literally right after everyone left. My kids had school the next day, so I just did not want to like be cleaning while they were in school. So I wanted to get everything straightened up, cleaned up, and I ripped all of the tags off of the baby's clothes because I will be washing his stuff soon. So I wanted to just get that all prepped and ready, so that way I wasn't doing too much at one time. And yeah.
My home is you. My home is you. My home is you. My home is you. Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Oh my, mommy, eh? You made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, Paco for Bago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, eso sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambinos contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista está
told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma. Esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I.
really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much, and let me know if you guys ever did a belly cast. That was really a really fun experience for me, and we had a ball. It was the baby shower was so fun. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Oh my, oh my.
Hey guys, if you're making it to this part of the video, that means we have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider. We have a whole lot going on and on this channel, so I hope you're ready for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.